Ever wondered why that shiny new phone seems to lose battery life faster than it did when you first unboxed it? First up, lithium-ion batteries, the powerhouse behind most smartphones, have a lifespan. Typically, they start to degrade after about 300 to 500 full charge cycles. That means every time the battery goes from 0% to 100%, it counts as one cycle. Over time, these cycles add up, and the battery's capacity decreases. So, if a phone originally held a charge for 12 hours, after a couple of years, it might only last 8 or 9 hours. Next, temperature plays a huge role. Batteries thrive in moderate temperatures. Extreme heat can cause irreversible damage, while extreme cold can temporarily reduce performance. Leaving a phone in a hot car or using it while charging can lead to overheating, which accelerates battery wear. Then there's the software. Manufacturers often push updates that add new features and improve performance, but they can also be more demanding on the battery. Background apps, location services, and notifications can drain battery life faster than anticipated. It's like your phone is working overtime, and that takes a toll on the battery. Another factor is the age of the phone itself. As technology advances, newer apps and features require more power. A phone that was cutting edge a few years ago might struggle to keep up with today's apps, leading to quicker battery drain. Charging habits also matter. Frequent partial charges can be convenient, but they can lead to a phenomenon called battery memory. This means the battery doesn't fully utilize its capacity, causing it to hold less charge over time. Ideally, letting the battery drop to around 20% before charging it back up to 80% can help prolong its life. Lastly, the number of apps running in the background can significantly impact battery life. Apps that constantly refresh or use location services can drain the battery even when not in use. It's a good idea to regularly check which apps are using the most power and close or uninstall the ones that aren't necessary. In the end, battery health is a natural part of a phone's life cycle, but being mindful can make a difference.